The first thing we want to do is log into the BlackBull Market Secure Client area. Now we'll visit the Accounts tab and ensure that we're on the right sub-tab, either Live or Demo. The process to create a new account is the same for both of these versions. Now we'll click Create an Account. Now we select cTrader as the account type. We will set a nickname for the account if we wish. Now we'll select whether we want this account to be bound by the trading conditions of a standard prime or swap free account. Now we're going to select the base currency for the account, and then we will select a leverage. Now click Submit. The cTrader account will be created instantly. When you first create a cTrader account, you will receive an email that prompts you to set a password. If this is not your first cTrader account, you will not receive an email asking you to set a password. The password that you set will be associated with all the cTrader accounts that you create and will be used in combination with your email address to connect to cTrader. And remember, if you require any further... First, we're going to sign into the BlackBull Market Secure Client area. Now we'll visit the Platforms tab. Here we can find the cTrader card with the different download links, or we can click through to the cTrader sub-tab. We will click the link that is appropriate for our system, either iOS, Android, Windows, or browser. The last version requires nothing to download. For this example, I'll choose the link for the Windows version. Once the installer is downloaded, we can click it to begin the installation process. This can sometimes take a couple of minutes. Once cTrader has been installed, it will open automatically. From here we can proceed to log in using our email address and the password that we set via the email that cTrader sent us when we first created a cTrader account. From here we can proceed to log in using our account number combined with the password that we set via the email that we were sent by cTrader when we first created a cTrader account. And remember, if you require any further assistance... First, we're going to log into the BlackBull Market Secure Client area. Now we're going to visit the Internal Transfers page under the My Wallet tab. Here we'll select the source of funds by clicking on the Transfer From box. The source of funds is typically a wallet, but you could also select another trading account in which to transfer funds from. Now we will click the Transfer To box, and here we'll select the cTrader account that we want to transfer funds to. Next we state how much we want to transfer, then click Submit. Internal transfers are immediate, so you will see the funds in your cTrader account right away. If you require further assistance, please reach out to us. The easiest way to check and change the leverage on your cTrader account is to first log into the BlackBull Market Secure Client area. Now we'll visit the Accounts tab and find the cTrader account card. On this account card we can see the leverage that is applicable to this cTrader account. If we want to change the leverage on this account, we can click on the three-dot menu and then select Edit Settings. From here we can select a new leverage from the drop-down menu. Once we click Submit, we'll see confirmation that this change has been applied. If you simply want to check the leverage of your cTrader account, you can also find this information in the top right corner of the platform. If you require further assistance, please reach out to us. So we first want to log into the cTrader platform and ensure that we have funds in our account. You can set a stop loss and take profit at the time that you open the trade or afterwards. To set them at the same time as opening an order, we can click on the check boxes for stop loss and take profit in the new order window. These checkboxes are found under the volume settings for the order. Clicking these checkboxes will provide you with the details associated with a stop loss and a take profit. You can set these levels as either pips, price, balance, or profit. To set these levels on a trade that is already open, we find the positions window and then double click on the order or right click and select modify position. A window will appear in which we can modify our order. To do this, click on the checkboxes like we did earlier, and we can set the levels via the same parameters as we did before. Now we'll click Protect. And remember, if you require any further assistance, the first thing we want to do is log into cTrader and ensure that we have funds in our account. Now we can set a trailing stop loss at the time that we set an order or afterwards. To set the stop loss at the same time as opening an order, we can click the checkbox for stop loss in the new order window. The checkboxes are found under the volume settings for the order. Clicking this checkbox will provide us with the details associated with a stop loss and consequently our trailing stop loss. You can set these levels as pips, price, balance or profit. To set a trailing stop loss on a trade that is already open, we will find the positions window and double click on the order, or we can right click and select modify positions. A window will appear in which we can modify our order with a trailing stop loss. To do this, click on the checkbox like we did before if you need, and then we can set the stop loss and trailing stop loss via the same parameters as before. Then click protect. And remember, if you require any further assistance. So the first thing we want to do is open cTrader and open a chart that we want to customize. Now when we right click on the chart, we'll have a few different options before us. The first option is to simply change the chart from dark mode to light mode. We can make this change within the template tab. Within this tab we also have the option to apply some other setups as they relate to different trading strategies, including range, trend and volatility. The second option is to change the chart type. The third option is to change what's on view on the chart via the viewing options tab. Here we can turn on and off features like the period separators, the grid and the bid and ask lines. The fourth option is to change the coloring of all the different components via the color options tab. And lastly, the final option is to change the background image of the chart and its opacity via the background image tab. And remember, if you have any further questions, please reach out. So we first want to open the cTrader platform. Now there are a few ways we can enable this feature, and the easiest way is to click on the settings wheel in the bottom menu. Now visit the quick trade tab. Here we can choose to enable one-click quick trade or double-click quick trade. Now we'll click apply. This will enable us to place orders via the symbols window, via the quick trade buttons in the chart, and via the depth of market feature. If you require further assistance, please reach out to us. So first open cTrader and open the chart that you want to analyze. The drawing tool on the cTrader platform is found just on the right of the chart by default, but this toolbar can be dragged and dropped anywhere you would like. Under the cursor tools are the traditional drawing tools used in technical analysis, including line tools, fib tools, shapes and text. When you select a tool, its icon will appear with a small crosshair on the chart so that you are aware of what and where you'll be placing. The drawing tools with multiple options are denoted by a tiny white arrow in the bottom left corner. To see all the options requires you to hover over the tool. Importantly, the drawing toolbar also includes a price alert tool as well as a market replay option. The former allows you to drop a price alert anywhere on the chart, or the latter will open a new window that shows the historical price action of the asset. And remember, if you have any further questions, please reach out. So the first thing we want to do is open the cTrader platform. Now we'll find the depth of market tab, which is typically found by the order window. Under this tab we'll find the three depth of market versions that cTrader offer. Your standard depth of market and price depth of market are going to show you the numbers of open buys and open sales on a particular asset, with the former displaying a slightly more granular view of the market environment. The third type of depth of market is a volume weighted average price, or VWAP depth of market. This depth of market version gives you the expected price for certain order sizes based on previously traded prices. This depth of market is useful for high volume traders. If you require further assistance, please reach out to us. So the first thing we must do is download a cTrader EA file. cTrader EAs are in a .algo format. Here are a few examples. When we open cTrader, on the left hand side we'll find the Automate menu. Typically this menu is populated by a few sample EAs. Now to add a new robot, we can go back to our downloaded algo file and double click on the file. This will automatically install into cTrader. Otherwise, choose to open the file with cTrader if prompted. The EA will now appear in the Automate menu, and confirmation of its successful installation will appear as a notification. From here we can click on the plus button and choose a chart onto which to add the EA. And from here we can activate the robot by clicking on the play button. And now we can see that it's running and it's going to perform its functions as the market conditions present themselves. To remove it from the chart, we can click on the three-dot menu on the EA and hover over the remove instance and then select the chart you'd like it to be removed from. And remember, if you require any further assistance, please reach out to our support staff. They're available 24/7 on live chat, email and phone. Thank you very much.
Import the BlackBull Markets calendar to your email to receive alerts about upcoming economic events in your inbox, enabling you to plan your positions in advance and seize trading opportunities. Follow the link in the description to get started.